we'll be creating the custom. Sorry, we'll be creating the look-alike audience. Yeah, now, all right, don't mind me. We're creating the look-alike audience. You can still go back to the normal business settings, and it's still the same. Go to audience from there. Go you will find yourself there. Then click on create audience. This time around we're clicking on look-alike audience. Now let's read what comes out. Say reach new people who are similar to audiences you have already care about. You can create a look-alike audience based on people who like your page, conversion pizza, or any of your existing customer audience. So that is what we use conversion. Sorry, my mistake. That's what we use look-alike audience to do. That's what we use look-alike audience to do. We use look-alike audience to track people that the list of people that matters to our business. Okay, for example, he is a buyer. This person is a buyer, and Facebook has helped me store it. Then help me look for another set of people that they have similar character with those information that you have helped me save in time past. That this set of people that you have helped me save, that they are buyers, they had bought from me before, so they are buyers. Then help me look for people that have similar character, that they also buy things online, just like this fellow that you have helped me save earlier. Okay, so that is what we use look-alike audience to do. So you click on look-alike. Now it's asking me for the source, also just like that of a custom audience. You understand? So it's asking me, say select an existing audience. Select an existing audience. Let me click on it. Now, what are the existing audience? Where am I selecting the audience from? It's asking me to pick any of these pizza. It's asking me to pick any of these pizza. You understand? If I pick this one now, there won't be any audience that I can use to create. Okay, sorry, I've tracked this one. Sorry, I was referring to this combo bundle. If I click this, there is something I will be able to track, but I've used this one, and that is what I used to create. I created the PZ and custom conversion with. So I can choose this PZ. Say your look-alike audience source might not include some people using ours, whatever. So I can use that audience, or say click on other source. Click on other source. If we use that audience, it will just track that PZ. It will track that PZ. Once I put my mouse on it, say by the right here, say use events with value to create better look-alike. Find people who are similar to your most valuable customer by using data from events or your site. When you select purchase from example, we look for how often and how much they spend. Your source capture visitor traffic and behaviors. It passes back conversion event to Facebook and include customer value. So if we just leave it on this one, you will only pick based on the pixel. But I won't do that. I will click on other source. Other source. From other source now, I now have people that have tracked that time. Like people that I say purchase. So if you remember, I tracked this one where we are doing custom audience. So these are the people, 2 events I track. So I will always use this web purchase as my audience. Okay, click on it again. All right. So it says select audience location. Where's my location? Where am I targeting? The country. It's only country you can target here. So after that, I can now put the location, Lagos. Oh, sorry, no. It's only that country I can target. So I've targeted the Lagos here. Look-alike. Just scroll down. Now it's telling me that select audience size, number of lookalike audience. We have the ratio of 1 to, is it 6? I thought it's up to 10 before. Maybe they have reduced it. I thought it's also more than 6. So it's asking you for the ratio. The higher they go, the lower the seriousness become. Let me just put it like that. The best one is to use 1. You understand? Use 1. And the percentage range here, use between this 1%. With this 1%, they have a close similarity with those people that have bought on your website. They have a very, very close similarity. Very, very close similarity to people that have bought on your website before. And it's showing me the estimate of it that is going to be 4,223, sorry, 423,000 rather. So if we increase it to 2%, see what will happen. You have increased the stuff, but the more you are increasing this percentage, you are just bringing more unserious fellow into your audience. So as you are increasing it, you keep on increasing. So I always advise that you stick between this 1 or maximum 2. If you discover that the audience is very, very small, you can just increase it to 2, but mostly I always use this 1. All right, I always use that 1. Then I click on create audience. The benefit of lookalike is that you are not giving Facebook a stress to look for audience again. Look for audience afresh. Let me put it like that. Look for audience afresh. You have already given them a perimeter that they should work with, so that they can help you get a better customer that can buy. The more people visit your website that they buy, your ad stuff will be cheaper. You understand? It will be cheaper. So that is the benefit of using lookalike audience. That is the benefit of using lookalike audience. And you can see it's updating it. It might take a week, it might take 2 weeks. That is why I say that before this one can become effective, that means this particular one, I have at least like a 1,000 cumulative stuff that has accumulated over the time. So once this one is finished updating, it's still updating, it's not ready now. You can't use it to run any ad. You can't use it to run any ad until when it's fully updated. Then you can run ad from there. Exactly. Oh, this one you get it this time around. Alright, that is how to create lookalike audience. That's how to create lookalike audience. And if you remember, when we were running at that time, there was a place. Okay, let me just show you if I can. Say create ad. We are seeing that audience. For example, now if I want to use this my lookalike audience, maybe it has finished updating and has shown me that I can go ahead with it. So I will come to this button here. So create ad. If I want to use my custom or lookalike audience to run ad, maybe those people that I marked before as a visitors, maybe I want to revisit them again or something like that. I have another offer that I want them to take. Let me just use traffic this time around. Hope I have not made a mistake. I don't remember if I click any audience. Well, let me see. I've told you what to do, so let me just go to ad set. The place of audience. Okay, the place of audience. Let me check if I have it. It show me that trick save or no use audience. Okay, is there already? This is the look alike. Is it not available? If you check now in front of it, say not available, which means the audience are not yet updated. This one also, page visitors. I told you that the PZ I pick, that is a new PZ and nothing has been done on it yet. So that is why you are not seeing any information yet. I didn't be that I pick one of those PZ that I've been using before. You will see the numbers that those custom audience and lookalike audience, those that have generated. So let's assume that that one is already there, that the data has been updated. Then I will click on it. That is my audience. You see, the range is very, very small, but it's well specific. The range is very, very small, but it is well specific. You understand? And from there, you continue with every other stuff to do when you are running your ad. Alright, that is how I'm going to round up this video right here on how to use lookalike audience. Thanks for